Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis. It's the 18th of December. So some important news for tomorrow with the pound. We have the official bank rate votes and the monetary policy summary. So there will be a bit of volatility with the pound tomorrow. That's roughly about 12 p.m. So 12 in the afternoon. But regards today, we'll start with GBPUSD. We can see that as of yesterday, we started to close below this zone. So ultimately with this, we're just waiting for a retracement if possible. If not, we will be heading into this zone. So we potentially may be punching into this zone here. And we could expect two of the things really. So just paying attention here. We may find support or we may find a form of resistance. So the area that I'm paying attention to for this yellow zone is at 1.3 to 1.296. So pay attention to that for tomorrow, especially with that pound volatility as well. With the euro US dollar pair, we can see it starting to touch into this reversal zone, rejecting the EMAs quite nicely there. So potentially we could see this roll over, and hopefully if this closes below, we may find a shorting opportunity. If not, we could find some. If we do find a bullish sentiment candle, we could take a long there and target the upper zones. Just depends upon what sentiment candle we get in the next couple hours. With the US dollar JPY, so USDJPY, we're still not touched into this zone yet, so we are still moving sideways here. So as you can see, we have a flag pennant forming here. So depending on which move will break out, I will think this area is very key for this pair right now. So we're still waiting for price to move in and find either a rejection candle with the bearish sentiment candle or a strong push to the upside with the pullback with the bullish sentiment candle. So that's what I will be paying attention to for this pair for tomorrow. And finally with gold, we mentioned that if you did take a short trade, it was not really that much of a bad idea. We have found the rejection and bearish engulfing candle as well at the same time. So if you did manage to take that trade around 60 pips, but I could definitely understand if you would rather wait. So it's still, the move is still not missed. So we have a potential to come back in. As we can see here, we've got some support from the EMA. So I don't really think we may have missed it, but if so we have, then that's just the case. We just have to wait for another trading opportunity. So that'll be all for today. Make sure you're paying attention to the pound volatility tomorrow and all the zones that we've discussed. If you don't know the zones, go ahead and check back at the weekly analysis videos. We specifically tell you what areas we are looking at. And prior to that, if you are subscribed to the YouTube channel, that's great. We're providing these daily videos, so hopefully you're kind of understanding the strategy a bit better. So if you are, make sure you give it a like and subscribe and follow along. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow.